already seen the ancient trees and other stunning plants in the Mediterranean biome here at the Eden Project, but there's more for me to visit.
Next, I'm going to meet Aaron, who is in charge of this incredible rainforest biome. And what makes it different to other collections across the country is, yes, it's an amazing display of tropical plants, but it's actually one of the largest indoor rainforests in the world. So Aaron, you're the man in charge here. Temperature's certainly gone up a bit since the last biome I was in.
Yes.
And you're busy at work, so what's going on here?
So John is here pruning our Ficus benjamina, which you will probably recognize as a common house
But not
plant.
that size. I mean, usually
No.
they're like that or a bit bigger.
This guy has been growing like freely in optimal conditions. So this is what you would see in the wild in any tropical areas of the world. We have to go up every few months to trim it back so it doesn't touch the structure.
But I guess in the house, it's not going to grow that big because they're in pots.
No.
So they're not going to be going through people's roofs.
No, they need like a lot of light, high humidity and heat.
Well, we'll leave your chap up there to get on with it and come have a look at some more things. So this place is breathtaking. It really is everything you expect it's going to be and more. But you have your roots in this sort of environment, don't you? How did it all start for you?
Well, I was very little. I was probably 3 years old, and I have my first memory of African violets with my grandmother.
Oh.
I remember seeing them in her windowsill,
Yes.
and just, I don't know, it just made me love plants.
Yeah. And that's back at home in Mexico, is that right?
Back in Mexico City,
Yeah.
yes. I went to university to study biology, and then I specialized in plants.
Okay, and what brought you to this country then?
My wife.
Ah, it was true love of plants and love of a good woman.
was.
What is it that makes this space so perfect for tropical plants?
The plants have created their own microenvironment. We used to have misters at the beginning to create these high humidity conditions. Then as plants grow, we don't need them anymore.
So they're clever, they're doing their thing without any assistance then.
It is incredible.
There is just such a wealth of plants here from all the palms, cycads, ferns, but I've just spotted what I think, is that chocolate?
It is chocolate.
Ah, see, I'm good with my chocolate.
And you are in luck. We have lots of pots at the moment.
But look at them all clustering up the trunk. That's fascinating, isn't it? And what else do you have? You have lots of other fruiting bodies here.
We have papayas, bananas, and some star fruits. And you are in luck. We can try them now.
Oh, well, this is my best day yet. Show me the way.
There it is.
Ah, I see them. Well, I'm not going up there, are you?
We will be using this pole pruner,
Aha, okay.
and it's a very safe way of doing it.
Up it goes. Wow. Oh, excellent. Well, this is perfect.
And here it is.
Wow. Beautiful shape. You can understand why they're popular. But I've never tried one. I've never tried a fresh one. I've seen them dried.
Let's try one.
Okay, I'd love to.
We can just cut slices of it.
Yep.
You can peel it off or eat the whole thing.
Mmm. Oh, it's so sweet. It's delicious.
This is a Southeast Asian plant, but it's grown in most tropical areas of the world.
But this is all very well, and these plants are beautiful, but we can't really grow these at home in our gardens. So have you got anything else here that we can do at home?
I will show you. We have the perfect plant. So ginger, it is native to Southeast Asia, but it is grown in every tropical area of the world.
And something we really recognise in the kitchen, and it's so used, isn't it? So tell me about the ginger you've got here then.
So this ginger was harvested from last year's season. This one here has been soaking overnight. So you can see these growth points.
Yeah.
And this is perfect to go into the ground.
So that soaking triggers the growth, really?
It does.
Okay.
And it softens the skin, so it will grow quicker.
A little bit like you would do with a sweet pea seed or something when you're growing those.
Very similar.
Yeah. Okay, so what would you do then? Show me the perfect way to plant ginger.
Yes. They will all have
Lovely.
a growing point.
Okay.
So the process here is really easy. We just grab our piece of ginger. All we're going to do is stick the ginger in the ground.
Doesn't matter which way up, presumably.
No, not really for us.
Okay.
As long as you can see the growing points facing up, and then just cover it with soil.
Okay, that easy.
If you were to do it in your home, in a pot, you can use any sunny windowsill if you have one.
So keep it warm. And then how long before you see anything, before the shoots start to emerge?
I would say 4 to 6 weeks in the spring.
And then you've got fresh ginger for your kitchen.